smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
So that was it for the Albergue Verde. Fantastic place, really, really good. The meal, completely vegetarian, but it was really tasty. You almost feel they have to work harder if it's vegetarian, but absolutely stuffed. Great night. Coming into some trees.
That kitten is so cute.
Early morning, tend to get a stream of peregrinos as they all come out of the albergues at roughly the same time. And then over the day they spread out a bit, and then they all concertina back together again, the next set of albergues. So we're coming into a village and I can already see that one of the bars is full. Yeah, back to getting some hills. So today is sort of officially the last day of the Meseta. Are you a row of happy faces? Arm cats. Some rest place for hikers. And another guy. Maybe some quarrying going on, but a place for birds to hide. This crop is turning. Hey, a downhill in the cool. How lovely. Good morning, day 21. The end of the third week. Time goes quickly, it really does. So today is a fairly short, sort of 18-kilometre drive into Astorga. And it really marks sort of the official end of the Meseta, and we've just started entering a few little lumps. But yesterday, fantastic stay at the Albergue Verde, absolutely brilliant. It's good as a one-off. I don't think I'd like it every day of the week. Food was lovely, the people were lovely, got a good sleep. They actually had mesh over all their windows, and so the windows could be left open, so that's really good. But today is just a nice walk. We'll arrive before lunchtime, and then we can have a half day in a store looking around and recovering. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Something very off-grid Somebody's built themselves a house and a place to serve peregrinos. Interesting construction. If you leave nature to it, she produces perfect lines. We have something to learn here. So we come to the bit of the path where we swerve round to our right and we should be able to see Astorga. And here is a huge cross looking out over Astorga. And there we are, Astorga. Maybe that's the cathedral. There we go, come down into a village that you could probably call just a suburb, but it's got a separate village name. Hey, fixing. And here's our village before Astorga. Of course there are. Oh, I've been hearing frogs for a while, and now we get all the frogs. Walking in the thin strip of shade. The sun's more or less behind us. We can just about get some shade. A lovely bridge to get over the railway, but it's like a contraption for marbles. Uncovered Roman ruins. Just look at that mosaic. Been lying there for almost 2,000 years. You want to bring your car through here? Stick inside the bollards. And here is our albergue, almost outside the church. So this is our dorm for the night. Loads of individual beds. Not many taken. And then you get these temporary sheets to put on your bed. Straight out of our albergue, we get faced with this. Tiny door to be faced by this.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.